you ever made a mistake before? Of course you have. We all have from time to time. And when you do, it's normal to feel angry, frustrated, even a little embarrassed. But did you know that making a mistake doesn't have to be a bad thing? That's right. Making mistakes is actually helpful to your growing brain if you choose to learn from it. The first thing to do when you make a mistake is to own up to it. Tell yourself specifically what you did incorrectly. And remember to be kind to yourself. After all, you're still learning. The next thing you need to do is study your mistake and make a plan. Ask yourself, what went wrong and how can I do better next time? Depending on what it is, you might feel comfortable fixing your mistake by yourself. Or you might ask for some feedback from a friend, a parent, or a teacher. Even when your mistake has been fixed, don't just forget about it. You and your brain did a lot of work, so always ask yourself, what can I learn from this? And carry this lesson with you to remember for next time. Everyone makes mistakes. It's what you choose to do with it that's really important.